that, we have this one also merge centers. I will adjust this span. Let's bring this one down. Put this. Oh, there's a space here that we skipped. So we are going to add out. Right click here. And the row after where do we want to create should enter. Click on insert. Have it there nice and clean. So continue down here. Add these rows. We need 11. We have 7. We're going to add 4 more. No, it's taking the shade from off, so we skip the first one. Adding it in here. You have 8. Oh, following is this part here. Oh, we'll add one more row for it. That test row as for this page. So we need more rows. So we just add. Have up to like 6 there. Add 6 rows. Add 6. Drag and then insert. Yes. Our row. Okay. Skip. Here. That space. This one is merged all the way to the end. We have tick top border. This one. Tick bottom border. Yes. And this part now. Merge out here. I want to make sure that we will not be expanding rows before we complete it. Yes, up here. Merge and shape and give it a blue feel. Font will be white, even though we must type it. Special modes. It's going to be left aligned. Have here. And this one has 2 rows. I have this 4 merged. But before that, we need 1 row, so add a row or 2. So we merge them. This one is across this way. That one here, this one here. Merged. Merge and centers. This point. Merged and shaded. Blue fill, white fonts. Blue fill, you can remember it's here, and the white fonts is here. Type